बीच छोड़ दी। आज बीच में खेल भी लिया, फ्रिस्बी एंजॉय भी कर लिया, चाबी भी गुम कर लिया, बीच भी साफ कर लिया 3-4 घंटों में। क्या क्या मैंने कर लिया यार, जस्ट वाओ। और हमाद भाई को अप्रिशिएट भी कर दिया, दैट्स द बेस्टेस्ट थिंग आई थिंक आई डिड टुडे। हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप? खैरियत से? ये आप देख रहे हैं रेत में लटपट, आसान नहीं है नामो निशान हमारा मिटाना है, इस तरह आसान नहीं भाई, कुछ भी कुछ करना। अच्छा बताऊँ आपको क्या हुआ है? यहाँ इस जगह पे मैं खेल रहा था फ्रिस्बी। आज मुझे जनाब काइंड ऑफ दिल किया फ्रिस्बी खेलने का। लोग यहाँ खेल रहे थे, दोस्त। अब दोस्त भी, अब इनके साथ क्लब में भी ज्वाइन करूँगा। आई होप के फ्यूचर में इनके साथ I might be a player of frisbee in their team in future, so that's a plus point. So I am letting you know, because आप ये नहीं कहो कि क्यों खेलने गए थे फ्रिस्बी, फिर चाबी मार के आज के बैठ गए और आराम ना की worth just a few dollars, few euros man, की worth just a few euros. The people who let me in their club, they worth guys million, billion, trillion. You know, you cannot find it. Actually पता क्यों? You know, actually I am thinking differently, because I know my friends from so many times, and whenever I need them they just kind of, you know, ignore me. So the person who does not ignore me does earn a lot of respect in my eyes. So if you need respect in my eyes about yourself, so you should use this technique, okay? And I was sitting here, I was exercising for my back. I have back pain. मुदस्सर बिलाल सदीकी, you know that the back pain. But हाँ, मैं एक काम अच्छा कर रहा हूँ, चाबी ढूंढ रहा हूँ 1 by 1। ये शूज़ का निशान लगाता हूँ, ये देखो इनके दरमियान ने इतनी जगह बनाई, सारी गया जाके करके लैन बने, फिर उधर से ऐसे आ रहा हूँ। भाई किसान का बेटा हूँ, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह किसान हूँ। मुंजियाँ लाइयाँ ने, मुंजियाँ प्रॉपर तो नहीं लाइयाँ, बट मुंजी ला के जाते सर मुंजियाँ ले, तो उन्होंने खप्पे असी लाए ने। भैन दी सिरी, पैसे ले लेने ज़्यादा तो कम से सही कर दे, है ना अंकल जी? अंकल ने फिर सानू मोटिवेट करना पुत्तर, तुहानू पता है 6 महीने बाद जरा बूटा एक लग जाना, हूँ 6 महीने बाद तो एक मंजर बननी है। जिन्ने बूटे ला लोगे उन्ना ही फायदा जो अपना, तुहानू मोटिवेट करके तो जनाब काम लेना करना। बट दैट्स अ गुड टेक्निक, आई लाइक दैट। अगर उनके पास स्किल थी, उन्होंने हमसे काम लेना करना। हम उनके बच्चे हैं, हम फैमिली, हमारी जॉइंट फैमिली रहती थी, उनकी हेल्प लेनी भी चाहिए। बट दिस इज़ हाउ ही यूज्ड टू, यू नो, टेक टॉक। एंड यार हाँ, ये काम अच्छा कर रहा हूँ, ये देखो गंदा नज़र आ रहा है। मैंने कहा चाबी तो मिल नहीं रही, तो व्हाई नॉट आई शुड क्लीन द बीच। एंड दिस एक्ट आई वांट टू अप्रिशिएट, दिस एक्ट इज़ इंस्पायर्ड बाय हमाद फाउंडेशन। हमाद भाई, सल्यूट यू। आई हैव लिसन्ड योर इंटरव्यूज़ एंड you mashallah doing good job. I am with you. Just accept my kind of application to get me in your NGO. Actually, I'm running my NGO as well, but that's a small part. Like till today, I learned from your NGO a lot, because as I told you, like I'm running my NGO, so I need a people like you who are doing really good job. So I follow you guys, all the big NGOs who are there doing good. So the one of thing I just want to say, Ahmad bhai, right now I'm in Portugal. Brother, you deserve this respect, you deserve this shout out, and I'm giving you. I'm doing this beach cleaning while looking at my, you know, last key. यहाँ खेलते हुए मेरी की गुम हो गई थी अपना ना, फ्रिस्बी खेलते हुए, तो वो लोग चले गए। जब मैं जाकर बाइक में बाहर जाके देखा तो मुझे चाबी मिली नहीं। तो अभी मैं दोबारा आके चाबी ढूंढ रहा हूँ, और साथ साथ ये मैं कलेक्शन भी कर रहा हूँ, अपना बीच क्लीनिंग भी कर रहा हूँ। एंड I just want to say thank you, bro, and I am with you. Your cause, as I listened, you said like you want to make Pakistan like a better country. Your goal is I think 2025, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, I'm just want to say like I listened your interviews, as you said like you have been working on your NGO last 10 years, like as you word use last decade, 1 decade. That is like a communication, man. I love that, and you know how to convey your message, and you are very subtle person, very calm, and I think I need people like you. And I'm very enthusiastic person, I'm very emotional person, but this skill I want to learn from you. And as a, you know, I want to run my NGO, I want to make my NGO like international, and that's my goal, you know, like this is my thing. Okay, I will be actor very soon, inshallah. I will act in very good dramas. I will be get fame, and with fame, I want to do one thing, like I want to use my fame for good purpose, and my purpose is I already started the NGO from my village. I already, you can check my Instagram, and in my Instagram DP you will find NGO name Safra Khair Foundation. So we already started. My team is really nice to me, and we are really working whatever we can do in our इख्तियार. तो अल्लाह का शुक्र है, हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं. आप जैसे कि मोटिवेशन चाहिए, आप लगे रहे, हम आपके साथ हैं. बट इट्स नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट कि मुझे प्रॉपर एनरोलमेंट चाहिए आपके एन में. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, एज आई टोल्ड यू, आई एम रनिंग माई एन बट जस्ट एक्सेप्ट अ लिटिल शाउट आउट फ्रॉम अ फैन who lived in Europe and followed your work, and this is for you guys. And Hamad bhai, if you really I think you would, I don't need to question you this thing. I think you would share this act of like a beautiful act while looking for my key, and I am collecting this thing, and you can see my shoes and everything and my shirt. I couldn't find the bag. I asked few people, but they said we don't have. Maybe they were thinking, okay, because in Portugal they don't like immigrants so much, and it's our mistake, and I don't mind that, because हमने कुछ ऐसे मामले किए हैं कि जो मैं पसंद नहीं करते ये लोग. But I am changing that in my way as much as I can. I met new people. I give them something new to think, like about Pakistan, like recently what Pakistan did, mashallah, made us proud. So I tell everyone what Pakistan is doing and how Pakistan saved millions of lives to to stop this war. So yeah, I'm just doing it as much as I can. I appreciate the current government. They are doing so much in what they can do. So I am happy. Alhamdulillah, I am so blessed. So guys, the one message at the last, as a member of NGO Safra Khair Foundation, and as a proud fan of the member of you can say that Hamad Foundation, I just want to give you one message. Please do as best as you can what's in your hand. हमेशा पैसा दे के ही फाउंडेशन की हेल्प नहीं की जा सकती. I hope this message inspires like millions of people. I would say billion, but maybe, okay, let's say hypothetically maybe one person, I would be happy. So this is my purpose of making content from now onward. I stopped making content to make people happy. No, I'm making content for purpose, and I thought I should share with you, even though I almost walk half of the place. But then I thought, Zishan, it's a good idea to give a message. I put my cell phone on my shoes, and then I started walking. Few people came, they helped me, thanks to them. Some of them asked for help. They said, no, we are busy. I said, okay, no problem. So even though they give me one round with me together, so that's also really important for me. So please, the all Gen Z, I really hope we should do something better for our country, because the millennial and the older people think we are just up. So I think we can do better a lot in different ways what we have. And I think the current door, we can use our cell phone, we can make a voice for a better purpose. And if we cannot give someone a money, at least we can give a one like, one share, one comment, and we can motivate the person. Especially, I'm not talking about me, I think we should motivate Hamad bhai. He's doing a lot. Please go check on the website, and if you want to donate, please donate them. Right now I'm not asking for my donation because my NGO is not registered yet. Inshallah it will register very soon, then I can ask you for openly. But right now I didn't even ask my villagers to help me. I did ask one or two people for a big cause in Ramadan for ration, and they did help. I'm so thankful to them. But it was in the further in the village, and we give them a receipt and everything. Alhamdulillah, it's been 1 year, and we are doing everything very transparent. You can ask us, and if anyone want to help us, like to registration and want to donate us in future, you can ask anything. In the last 1 year, what we did, we have every proof, every paisa, where it's come from, where it's going, and every donation, even though it's belongs, the most of donations were from my NGO members. Sorry guys, I had to talk a lot because I have to tell you. मैं और भी बहुत बोल सकता हूँ, बट ये रील नहीं, रीला बन जाएगा, तो इसलिए ना आपके पास टाइम नहीं है ना यार. जेन जी भी तो मसला है यार, प्लीज़ इस मसले का हल करो. मैं यहाँ लास्ट 3 आवर से हूँ, एंड आई एम एंजॉइंग इट यार. प्लीज़ मोमेंट में देखो, मैं यहाँ लेटा हुआ था, ये देखो अभी फिर लेट जाता हूँ. इंजॉय करो मोमेंट को यार, इंजॉय करो, क्योंकि ये लाइफ आप ठीक है, आप सोशल मीडिया यूज़ करो, मोबाइल यूज़ करो, बट उसको ना काइंड ऑफ उसके गुलाम ना बन जाए, उसको अपना गुलाम बनाए। ऊपर पता क्या नजर आ रहा है, चेक करें, दा ओनली काइट नजर आ रही है कि नहीं अब मेरी? हाँ अब आ रही होगी। आपने पतंगबाजी बड़ी की लोड़ियो, मैं यहाँ किया करूँगा आके अभी। आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम आई हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम and alhamdulillah I'm happy. I'm enjoying. Yesterday I came from a trip, Azorish Island. I had uploaded everything on my social media, Instagram. But the point is this guys, मैं कल बीच नहीं जा सकता, 3 दिन वहाँ बिजी था, मेरे पास वहाँ जगह आइलैंड को सारा एक्सप्लोर करना था, तो बीच छोड़ दी। आज बीच में खेल भी लिया, फ्रिज भी इंजॉय भी कर लिया, चाबी भी गुम कर लिया, बीच भी साफ कर लिया 3-4 घंटों में। क्या क्या मैंने कर लिया यार, जस्ट वाओ। और हमाद भाई को अप्रिशिएट भी कर दिया, दैट्स द बेस्टेस्ट थिंग आई थिंक आई डिड today. Hamal, please keep going. My prayers are with you, and whenever you need any kind of help, you can text me. I followed you, and I'm not just kidding. You can follow me back, and we can have a really good conversation. And I think I would love to talk to you personally because you can guide me. How can I improve my NGO? And of course, I would love to, take your help, take your points, and take your opinion, bro. Thank you, guys. Hamad bhai is a younger guy. I think he's just maybe 28 years old. I'm not wrong. Maybe 25. I don't know. But yeah, he's doing really good. He's young as me, and he just kind of inspired me. Even though I started my NGO before, I had like passion. Like I used to saw my parents, how they help, and I thought, okay, no, we want to help people, but in a different way, in a new way, in a my knowledge way, and that's how I end up starting NGO. But yeah, I didn't like. I'm not saying like Hamad bhai didn't motivate me. It did motivate me, but after NGO, when I was planning to, I just planned it, I opened it, I just started the work. After that I need more help, so then I got to see the content of Hamad bhai, and one video he got like very like so many followers. So it was about the beach cleaning. So that is beach cleaning again in Portugal. The beach name is Matosinhos da Praia. It's in Portuguese, the beach of Matosinhos. I think, yeah, something like that. So guys, love you. Please do as much as you can what's in your hand. Love you all.